What did you break?
That was in there. All right, welcome back, guys. On today's episode, we're going to be changing the front fluid, diff oil of our 2019 Can-Am Outlander Max XT. We're going to be using AMSOIL 75W by 90 for the front. The rear is different oil. Right now, we're going to be doing the front. So the front, get your oil. You're going to need 2 Allen keys. A 6mm Allen key for the side hole, and then a 5mm Allen key for the rear, like on the bottom here of the diff to empty the oil. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my drill. Put a pen underneath. On the side here, right here where my finger is, that's your like fill hole. So take your drill, unscrew it, and do it by hand because I already unscrewed it. So take this bolt out first. So you got this thing with a little crush washer, copper washer on it. Clean that off. Don't lose it. So put that on the side, and then the bottom is going to be 5mm. Bottoms are a real pain to get at if you put armor plates underneath your bike. So we put this Del ring protection underneath the whole bike a couple episodes ago. So it works very well, but it didn't have a hole for the drain, so we made a hole, a 1-inch hole, before we installed it. So now I'm just gonna go remove that quickly. There we go. What was that brand new?
Is there going to be a lot?
Not a lot. Okay. So that's the oil draining. Just a little bit off. So the oil is draining right now. So this is my 5mm Allen key. This is your little plug for the bottom of the diff. It has a rubber gasket on it, so don't lose that. You put it together like this. Wait until the oil drains out. They're gonna reinstall this and then fill from the top bolt there.
Okay, now, yeah.
Shake the bike a little bit, should be okay. All right, reinstall. I'm just gonna take my driver like that, without the drill, hand thread it in there. I just use a 5mm Allen key. Put it hand tight. Be good enough. Take an old rag, wipe down any excess oil that spilt, and now time to fill up the thing. The diff. Remember to get the 75W by 90 synthetic gear oil for the front. So you get your bottle, take this, take that. Where's the light? Got it. So your fill hole is here. Take your bottle, shove it in there, and empty as much as possible. And just keep going until oil starts coming out of the top, and then you know you're done. And then put the plug in and you're done. Put your plug back in. Screw it in with, don't forget the copper washer. So do it finger tight for now. So we put the pan underneath because it's leaking down the frame and all of that. So it's gonna catch all the excess one, and just tighten it snug, and you're done. All the excess oil, take a rag, wipe it down.
Good lubrication.
Yeah, let it rust proof the frame a little bit. And stuff, and that's it. Oh, it took the diff, almost took the whole thing of 1 US quart just to fill up the front diff. So I have a little bit left over. Okay, so you have that. All right, that's it. There you have it, guys. How to do the front diff. Now we're going to spin the bike around and do the rear diff. So it's going to be the same process. You got like a filler bolt on top and then drain on the bottom. And this is for like the Gen 2 body style of Can-Am. So it's different than the Gen 1. Gen 1 had the drain on the side. Gen 2 is drain on the bottom.
What did you break?
Shit, that was in there. Okay. So we moved the bike around. We're doing the rear diff now. So rear diff, the top filler bolt is going to be 6 mil Allen key. Bottom is going to be 5 mil, the same as the front. We have on the side, we got the fill bolt right here where I'm touching my Allen key. And then that's the small drain right here on the 2019 and up. Okay, so again, same process. Remove the top bolt first. Side, drain. Make sure you have a pan. So in there, I'm using a pair of vice grips to get leverage on the Allen key. Okay, ready to go. There's the whole diff oil coming out. You guys at home, I don't think you're gonna have the same problem like we're having with the plate that we put on, the armor plate, because the armor plate's collecting all the oil.
So for the people who have a skid plate,
This is a skid plate ownership, man. That's what you have to deal with a skid plate.
so couldn't you just drill a hole?
You're thinking too ahead. Change the oil, do everything, then we'll turn the bike around up a hill, and it'll just drain out. The rear diff, we're going to be using 75W140 full synthetic AMSOIL for the rear diff. So just take this, just shove it in there. Barely goes in there. No. Doesn't work. Put this little pipe on. Alright, so this is my MacGyvered system. Put it like that, like this, and start filling. Just gonna fill until I start seeing oil coming out from the top. So that's it. That's all you need. Once it starts coming out, then you put your bolt back in. Allen key. Just hand tight a little bit. Keep it snug. And that's it, you're done. Off any excess oil from the side, and you're done. We have it simple diff oil change for the front and the rear. Remember, the front is 75W by 90 and the rear is 75W by 140 for the diffs. And it's a simple how-to video, how to do it. Anyone could do it. And that's it. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Good day. Anything, please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more of this nonsense. So let's see. All right, let's go. Let's start this thing. Let's get this thing out of here. That's it.